Road surveyors in Laxmi Nagar play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data related to road conditions, traffic flow, and other relevant factors. Their expertise and knowledge help in the planning and design of road projects, ensuring that the roads are safe and efficient for travelers. Laxmi Nagar, located in the eastern part of Delhi, is a bustling area with heavy traffic congestion. The importance of road surveyors in this area cannot be underestimated. They are tasked with identifying areas that require improvement in terms of road conditions, traffic management, and overall safety. By conducting surveys and gathering data, they can pinpoint specific areas that need attention and propose suitable solutions. One of the key aspects of road surveying in Laxmi Nagar is the design of roads. SCON design, also known as Super Concept-Oriented Network Design, is an innovative approach used by road surveyors to create efficient road networks. This design methodology takes into account various factors such as traffic volume, vehicle types, and pedestrian movement to optimize the road network layout. SCON design aims to minimize travel time, reduce congestion, and improve overall traffic flow. By considering various factors during the planning and design phase, road surveyors in Laxmi Nagar can create roads that cater to the specific needs of the area. This not only enhances the convenience for commuters but also contributes to the overall development of the area. In conclusion, road surveyors in Laxmi Nagar play a vital role in ensuring the smooth functioning of road infrastructure. Laxmi Nagar road surveyors are essential to the construction and upkeep of the city's road system. These experts are in charge of performing surveys and gathering information about the state of the roads, how the traffic is moving, and other pertinent details. They contribute their skills and knowledge to the planning and creation of road projects, ensuring that the routes are effective and safe for users. The eastern side of Delhi's Laxmi Nagar neighborhood is a busy one with a lot of traffic. It is impossible to overstate the value of road surveyors in this field. They are responsible with pinpointing places that need to be improved in terms of the state of the roads, traffic control, and general safety. By conducting surveys and gathering information, they can identify particular problems and suggest workable remedies. Road surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are essential to the construction and upkeep of the city's road system. These experts are in charge of surveying the public and gathering information regarding the state of the roads, traffic patterns, and other pertinent issues. Their experience and knowledge are used in the planning and design of road projects to make sure that the routes are effective and safe for users. Laxmi Nagar,